Uy, pues si me lo preguntas, juguito. Creo que no voy a alcanzar. No importa, mi amor, yo quería almorzar contigo. Hello, hello, everybody. Where is my group today? Okay, we are now live with zero. Nobody is in this moment. Santi Poveda. Hello, Santi. Hello, Santi Poveda. How are you, Santi? Okay, we're to wait for the students for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, hello, hello. The people that are them. Okay, who is now in this moment? Santi Poveda, are you there? Okay, people are waiting for your presence. I'm waiting for the class. Please, people. Hello, Bernie. Very good. Excellent that you're here, Bernie. Welcome to our class. Please, Bernie, if you have it, and to your group, your partners, please share this live video for the other students that come on and watch it, okay? Because we have to begin our class now, okay? So please, Bernie, you have it into your cell phone or your WhatsApp. Please share this video with your friends. Remember that we're live in this moment. You're a machine, yes, you're a machine. You are excellent, Bernie. Okay, people, we are waiting for you. Hello, Towers. But you are in another class, so come on, go to your other class. Okay, people, we are waiting for you. Hello, Towers. But you are in another class, so come on, go to your other class. But Towers, we are alone. Look at that. We're trying to find more students of 7A. And go to your class, many Torres. Go, Thomas Torres, go to your class. And go to your class, many Torres. Go, Thomas Torres, go to your class. Okay, we're there in this moment. Santiago Poveda and who's more in this moment? Okay, we have to begin our class in 5 minutes. Please, Santi Poveda, if you are there, please share it this channel or share it your plan in our chat. If you have the chat, okay. Luna, hello, Luna. Excellent. Very good that you are there. Hello, how are you? How did you do today? Okay, please, Luna, if you can share this video with your partners using your WhatsApp, please, and share it with your friends because it's necessary that you go, that everybody wants to be here, okay? So please share it in your WhatsApp group if you can. Thank you, Lunita. Your partners using your WhatsApp, please, and share it with your friends. It's necessary that you go, that everybody wants to be here, okay? So please share it in your WhatsApp group if you can. Thank you, Lunita. Okay, Lanita, if we're going to wait only for 3 minutes more, if, if no one go with this, so we're going to begin our class. Oh, thank you, Lanita. You are so cute. Thank you that you sent it. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to wait only 2 minutes more and begin our class. Okay, for you or for the people that connect into this class, because 7A and 7B and 7C, everybody connected. So it's necessary that everybody need to be here. It's not difficult to to connect to our channel now. So we're going to only wait for 2 minutes more, okay? Sorry that everybody should be here. It's not difficult to connect to our channel now. Okay, we're in. Okay, excellent. Hello, Juanca Torres. Oh, it's Dark Torres Rolando. Okay, excellent. Hello, Santi. Hello, how are you? Thank you. Excellent that you are here. We have 8 students in this moment. Please, everybody, write something to our chat to know that you are there. Okay, excellent. Hello, Santi. Hello, how are you? Santi, this is the link. The link in the plan is the link. Remember that you can go to the Hosomat channel and find the class live. Okay, if you want to be here. Okay, please, and if you have the group into your WhatsApp, please share this video because it's online, so everybody can watch them. Okay. Yes, this is the direct for the class for today, Santi. Please, if you can share it with your friends, please share it with Nicolas, with Francisco, with Annie, with Annie, with Valentina, with Sophie, with everybody, with everybody. Okay, we are nine in this moment. Please, everybody out there, please put some in our chat. Please, okay, or say hello. Please say hello to the chat. We're 12 at this moment. Hello, Povedita. Hello, how are you? Excellent that you are with us. In this moment, we are waiting only 3 minutes more for beginning our class. It's necessary that everybody commits time because we're losing a lot of time while everybody is searching the link and the link go for our channel. So this is the live. So our class in live. I always say 7C in live. 7C class in live. Okay, so please everybody, please, if you can share the video with your friends that connect, everybody that connects, okay? Hello, Vale. Hello, Vale. How are you? Excellent that you're there. What are you doing in this moment? Okay, we're in for 2 minutes more. If you can share it, the video with your friends using WhatsApp, please, to the group and put it, please. Jose Luis is there. Okay. Okay, someone? Why someone? Santi? Why? Someone? Okay. Can I speak more louder if you want? Because my microphone is into my records in this moment. So you have to upgrade because it's so high at the moment. Okay. Okay, Santi. Okay, very good, excellent. Okay, please share the video with your friends. Share your video with your friends, please. Where is Sunny? Where is Camila? Where is Parra? Where is Luciana? Where is okay, the other people? Please. We need. Okay. Hello, Parrita. How are you? Parrita's there. Excellent. Yes, we miss you so much too. We miss you. We miss you. Hello, Annie. How are you? That you're there. Excellent. Hello, Lunita. Excellent. Please, we need. Okay. Hello, Parrita. How are you? Hello to everybody. Hello to everybody. Please, I check my microphone and I check the sound and it's awesome. So if you don't understand in this moment, you have to check it your computer or your cell phone because my microphone and my connection it's alright in this moment. Okay, everybody like hello yes. If you put like I appeared the wine 2020, excellent. Oh come on, I didn't know that. Okay, let's begin. We have to begin. Okay, please share the video with your other friends because I didn't see the other girls. Where is Sophie? Where is Cristobal? Where is Francisco? Where is Checho? I miss a lot of people. Hello, Camila Di Cosio. Hello, Cami. How are you that you're there? Okay, we have to begin with our class. Please, everybody, remember. Hello, Vale. Hello, excellent that you're there. Remember, the class always going to be here in Hosama Channel Live. So yes, you can go using the link. But if you have your schedule, you can go. Oh, okay, I have to my math class. I go to the Hosama channel and I'm live with your class 7C, 7B, all the classes. Okay, so it's necessary that everybody pay attention. Thank you, Anita, for the like. Excellent. Woo. Hello, buddy. And now, let's begin our class. The teacher Jose Enrique topic for today: system of linear equation. The identity how apply the system of linear equations. So let's pay attention and everybody, let's begin with our beautiful class. Please remember, share it to our math channel. It's necessary if you want to see when I upload a new video, when we have a new class, we're going to always be here in live. Okay, the topic for today, we're going to begin with this beautiful video about supply and demand. We're going to see about the linear equations using the economic terms. So everybody please pay attention.
Hi friends, today we're going to talk about supply and demand. As we've been learning all about goods and services and needs and wants, now we want to talk about whether or not someone's going to even want to buy our product. Okay, this reminds me of the other day when I went for a walk. I was so thirsty and I thought go get a nice refreshing glass of lemonade. So, as I was on my walk, I saw my two friends. I saw Katie and I saw Sarah. If you'll notice, Katie and Sarah both had a lemonade stand. Lucky me, because that's exactly what I wanted to drink. So I definitely wanted lemonade. Ugh, no, but then I had troubles figuring out whose lemonade I should drink. Katie was selling her lemonade for $1, and Sarah was selling hers for $2. And they were right across the street from one another. Whose lemonade would you choose to buy? Well, for me, it was a tricky decision. I just wasn't sure. You know what? This reminds me of something called supply and demand. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say, I can explain how supply and demand works. First of all, we need to talk about what supply is. Supply is the amount of product or the amount of your goods or service that are available. So, like if I had an ice cream store, I'd want to make sure I had lots of product to sell. Demand is how many people are actually interested and wanting to pay for a product. So I have all that ice cream. Is there going to be a small group of kids that are interested in buying it, or a large group of kids interested in buying? Don't forget, I want to make sure I'm making lots of good money on my product. Okay, so this is how supply and demand works. The two of them help decide what product you should be selling. So Katie and Sarah, what a good idea, ladies, to start a lemonade stand. But if you'll notice, Katie's selling hers for $1 and Sarah's selling her for $2. I mean, as long as the product is the same and it tastes about the same, you're probably going to go for the one that has a lower cost. Now, the other thing is, since both girls are so close to one another, they're right across the street, that's a lot of lemonade in one area. So they're probably going to take business away from one another, or there's just not going to be that many customers for both of them, so that they're both going to make lots of good money. As you're planning out your business, you want to think about supply and demand. How much product do you need, and who would be interested in buying it? You don't want to have too much product, but you don't want to have too little. And you don't want to be surrounded by other people, like Sarah and Katie, who are selling the exact same product. Because you want it to be a special item that everybody needs. Okay, this video is all about how to explain how supply and demand works. As you're working on your product, I want you to think about these 3 questions. Are other people selling similar products? Talk to your friends, see what they're planning on making. Will your customers be interested? I mean, I love Harry Potter so much, but if I went around and made a whole bunch of Harry Potter glasses to sell, I'd for sure want to make sure that my friends like Harry Potter too. Otherwise, I'll just be bringing a whole bunch of glasses home with me at the end of the day. And then finally, your cost. How much are you planning on selling your product for? You want to make sure you're going to make money from it, but you don't want it to be too expensive. These are 3 good questions to consider while you're now that we've learned about supply and demand. Good luck.
Okay, excellent, my students. I know that somebody are asking in this moment, but what is so important? What we are speaking about, say, supply and demand. Look at that we are speaking about linear functions using demand and supplies curve and the economics topic. Why we're speaking about that? Because we're going to understand how can we use the linear function in our the real life in the real life. So look at that we have this example of linear functions. Okay, these linear functions represent the supply. Why the supply? Because the slope is positive. Okay, now the demand represent the slope in negative form. So look at that. We have y is equal to x plus 3 like the linear function. Y is equal minus 4x minus 12 like another example of linear function, or y is equal 0.x plus 24 like linear function. Okay, so it's necessary that there are linear equations if you plot them. So okay, they will always follow a straight line. Linear equations are generally characterized like y is equal bx plus c. Look at that in this case, in this document, put b, but it's the same like m. M over b represent this slope, okay? And remember that c always represent the intercept with the y-axis in this case. For this reason is y it's equal, okay? Represent that c it's equal, the constant term is represent into the y-axis, okay? Now, let us consider the simple linear function with positive slope, with like is positive slope, we're going to represent like the supply. Okay, in this case, the supply function represent the producers. Okay, the products like the production flower. Okay, like the people that are producing some types of products or like cars, like motorcycles, like guitars, okay, but all we produce, okay. In this case, y is equal to x plus 3. Remember, the constant trial represent always represent the intercept with the y-axis, okay, with the y-axis. Look at that. We have now the equations here. Y is equal, or fx equal of 2x plus 3. Look at that. This 3 represent the intercept with the y-axis. Look at that. Intercept, this red point, 3, represent the intercept with the y-axis. Look at that. Okay? Excellent. Very, very good. Look at that. These three represent this three. Now, if we want to understand it using the slope form rise and run, remember, we can use this tool like the slope and rise and run. Remember that we have to move two positions in y and only one in x. Look at that. 1 and 2 rise and 1 in run. Okay, and we have new coordinate. This coordinate is 1 in x and 5 in y. If we want, we can replace it, this one, into this structure. Look at that. We can replace this x into this one. Okay, we're going to put this one into this x and say 2 times 1. Look at that. 2 times 1, 2, plus 3, plus 3, it's equal 5. Okay, look at that. When x is 1, y is 5. And look at that. When x is 1, y is 5. Now, if you want to do again using the slope form, you can take these two again and say, okay, going to move two positions in y, to move only one position in x. Rise 2 to run 1. Look at that. So the position now is 2 in x and 7 in y. But look at that if it's true or not. We're going to replace this x for the number 2. 2 times 2, 4, plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. Yes, it's true. 7 and 3. Look at those. 2 and 7. Look at that, this coordinate. Okay, everybody. Excellent. Very, 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 very good. Hello, Valentina. Did you say Jose? Okay, now we're going to move again two positions. 1 and 2. Remember, two positions is because the slope is 2. Okay, two positions again. 1 and 2. And move only one. Rise and run. Rise 2 and run 1. Okay, now we are here in the C position when x is 3 and y is 9. Okay, so this coordinate is 3.9. So if we replace this 3 into this x, 2 times 3, 6, plus 3, 9. Look at that. This coordinate is 2 is 3.9. Excellent. Very, very, very good. Excellent. Luna said me, please teacher, I didn't understand. I don't understand. Don't worry, Lunita. We are only graphing this extraction, this this equation. We are graphing in this form. This is the slope form if you want to check it in the economic structure. But if you want only graphing, you only to graph this in the linear equation, in a linear equation form. Okay, please, Obedita, please tell me what happened when x is 4. When x is 4, which value takes y? What happened when x is 4? Everybody, please, if anybody want to, if anybody want only to, you have to replace it in the x form. Okay, please, Kami, only you only have to replace the x value into 4. Okay, excellent. Okay, excellent, Santi Poveda. Yes, this graph represents the supply of a product. Excellent, very, very, very good. Okay, remember, if we want to know which is the next value, I want to know where is this coordinate and the red point. We want to know which is this coordinate. Look at that. When x is 4, when x is 4, y it's 11. Look at that. Look at that. Excellent, Torres. Very, very, very good. When x is 4, y is 11. Very, very good. How you know? 2 dot 4 is 8. 2 times 4, 8. Plus 3, 11. When x is 4, y is 11. Very, very good, Torres Roballo. So you have a point. Excellent. Please tell me, somebody, anyone, please, what happened when x is equal 5? Which is the y value when x is equal 5? Lunita, don't worry, please. Change the x value, the x letter for 5. Multiply 2 times 5 and later add the answer for 3. Okay, add 3 to the answer of 2 times 5 to know which is the value in the y-axis. Very good, Santi Poveda. It's when it's 4, it's 11, but when it's 5, 5. Okay, when it's 5, which is the value? Remember, you have to multiply 2 times 5. Excellent, very good, Torres. Very good, Vale. It's replace the value in x and do the equation graph. Excellent, very good, Vale. You have a point. Excellent, excellent, very good, Vale. You only have to replace the letter x for the number. Okay? Very, very good. So in this case, 2 times 5, 10. And the answer 10 plus 3, 10. Very, very good, Torres. Excellent. Look at that. In this moment, we are watching the structure, the graphic structure of a linear equation like a supply of a product. Okay? You can change the y-axis for price and you can change the x-axis for quantity. Very good. So if the price is higher, the quantities are more. Okay, because you are producing these product and you want to produce more if the price is more high. Okay, if you want to sit in this structure. Okay, remember when you want to use the slope uses rise and run, you can do it because it's an excellent form to try graph this structure, this line, and it's easiest to do it. Okay, now in our diagram we can do it in positive form, but now we're going to do it in negative form. Look at that, and now we have the equation with another function when the slope is negative. Look at that, is -2. So now we're going to study about the demand in the in this case was the supply in positive form, but now we're going to understand what happened when it's negative, that it's a German constant term. Okay, in this negative form, look at the structure of this graph is negative. Okay, but what happened in this case? Look at that we have the constant term. Look at this is the same equation. Okay, y is equal, or fx equal minus 2x plus 12. In this case, 12 represents the constant term. In this case, the constant term is the intercept with the y-axis. Look at that. This 12 is this 12. Okay, and you begin the expression here. 12 and 12. Okay, excellent. Everybody is saying excellent. Very, very, very good. Now, we only have to replace again this x for different values 0, 1, 2, or 3. For example, when it's 1, minus 2 times 1, minus 2, plus 12, 10. And look at that. When it's 1, is 10. When x is 1, y is 10. Excellent. Very, very good. Excellent, Santi Barrero. So, very good, Santi. It's down. Very, very good. Now, what happened when it's 2? Minus 2 times 2, minus 4. Plus 12, it's equal 8. Excellent. Look at that. 2 and 8. Excellent. When is 2, x, the x value is 2, the y value is 8. Excellent. Very good. Please, Lunita, you are understanding in this moment. Tell me, Lunita, please, what happened when x is 5? What happened when x is 5? Which is the y value when x is 5, mi Lunita? My Lunita, please tell me that you can do it because you are understanding now. And you know that it's very, very easy. Okay? I'm waiting for your answer. Which is the y value when x? Okay, and remember that I have a sounds delayed about 1 minute. Okay, but if you don't hear nothing, it's because I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, if anybody wants to help, Lunita can do it. What happened when x is 5? What happened? Which is the y value when x is 5? Vale, that's minus 22. No, it's no minus 22. Minus 4, said Santi Poveda. Santi, no, you're wrong in this moment. So the answer is not minus 4, Santi, sorry. Remember that you have to replace the 5 into the x letter, okay, and multiply by minus 2, okay. 7, no, it's not 7, Santi Barreiro. Yes, Valley, you are you do it good. In this case, you say, oh, sorry, I'm bad, but yes, you check your mistake, okay. Is Santi Poveda said 2? Yes, but it's no minus 2, Santi. It's 2 positive. It's 2 positive. Look at that. Minus 2 times 5 minus 10. Minus 10 plus 12. 2 positive. Look at that. When it's 5, look at that. When it's 5, the y value is 2. Very, very good. Okay, so everybody, it's so important that you can please use the signs correctly. Remember, minus 10 plus 12 is 2 positive. You can check it here in the graph. Look at that. X value C5. The red point is 2. Excellent. Very good. Look at that. Hello, Maria Jose. How are you? Look at that. 5 and 2. Look at that structure. Okay, 5 and 2. 5 and 2. Excellent. We have only 4 minutes more. So, okay, Lunita, negative and positive is negative. No, no, remember that in this case we are doing another expression. We are not multiplying the signs. It's -10. Would you have a job about -10 and you have 12 coins? What happened in this case? It's positive 2. Very good. Excellent. In this case, it's not linear. Very good, Valeria. Excellent. So we have only 3 minutes more to finish our class. So we have to remember. We have to remember the use about the structure. Remember when the slope is positive, the graph go to the infinite, positive infinite. But when the slope is negative, go to negative infinite. Look at that. Okay? You can do it in the economic terms. When it's positive, is slow. The slope is supply. Okay? This structure is supply. And when it's negative, is the demand of the products. Okay? That y-axis you can change it by the price, and the x-axis you can change it for quantities in this form. Look at that. You can you can change the demand equation or the demand function for this structure. Q is equal mp plus b. Q is y, but now are quantities. Okay. P, now x is equal like p, but now p is price. Okay, m is the same, is the slope, and b is the constant tail. Okay, that is the interpreter, like how we can interpret this linear demand or functions equation. Okay, now we have 1 and 45. Please remember that we are always here in our class in Jose Math channel. Please remember that we are here in Jose Math channel in our classes. So please, only you have to connect into the class, or you can go to the plan, put the link, and go to my channel and in our class. Okay, the next class for us is tomorrow at the first hour, 8 to 8:40. Okay, to 59 of last 9. Okay, so the only thing that I have to know that I really happy to be with you. Okay, and please be nice. Okay, Vale said for anyone's address we can put on a different line. Yes, you can put on our pan, but remember that you can put the point always with the same structure of the linear equation, because can change into the Cartesian plane. Okay, for no more, we our class is finished. Remember, we see the slope, positive slope, negative slope, like supply and demand. Okay, we remember about the slope and the intercept with the x and y axis. Okay, remember the punctuality of Santi, it's alright. Remember punctuality tomorrow 8 a.m. Say no more, please. Bye bye, and please, everybody, please comment into the into your group the people that is not here, Montes and the other one. Please, we rest 8 people rest. So please, everybody, remember we are in our mod class. So bye bye, and I love you. So